Hi Year Ones, this is your spelling test for week 9, focusing on the phoneme E. The digraph is EY. Are you ready? So I hope you've got the date on, which is the 11th, I think, 11th-9-2020. And your first word is key. Oh, sorry guys, just before I start, what am I saying here? Did you guess which part of the world I have been in all week? So all week in your dictation, there's been different photos from a certain part of the world. Did anybody guess that? Well, if you guessed Austria, you've been right. Austria is where The Sound of Music was filmed, and all the other pictures have been in different parts of where The Sound of Music was filmed. This one is how they're in the hills, and that is one of my favorite movies, so I thought I'd share. Okay, are you ready? First word, key. You put a key in the lock to open a door. Key. Second word, money. We need money to buy things. Money. Third word, honey. Honey makes things taste sweet. Honey. Fourth word, monkey. Monkeys live in trees. Monkey. Fifth word, turkey. Turkey. We often eat turkey at Christmas. Turkey. So we'll go through your first 5 words now. Key, money, honey, monkey, turkey. Number 6, pricey. This item is rather pricey, means expensive. Number 7, donkey. Mary rode on a donkey to Bethlehem. Donkey. Now number 8, 9 and 10 are going to be from your 100 most used words. So number 8, said. Mum said stay inside. Said. Number 9, let's do this again. Again. And number 10, here. Please stand here. So let's go over 6 to 10. Number 6, pricey. Number 7, donkey. Number 8, said. Number 9, again. Number 10, here. So you have a look at your words, make sure you're happy with them, make sure you're happy with your handwriting as well, it's clear. And when you're happy with it, you upload it to Seesaw for me.